Before introducing the PLC input and output modules, we want to talk a bit about different kinds of common electrical signals that are in the industry. Basically, a signal is a physical quantity that varies with respect to time. In general, we have two types of electrical signals in industry that are widely used: digital signal and analog signal. Digital signal operates based on the 1-0 logic. What does it mean? This means that the device that operates with digital signal has two statuses. It's either on or it's off. The simplest example that we could give in this case is a light switch. This switch has no more than two modes. It's either off or on. Therefore, we can say that it operates based on 0-1 logic, meaning that when we hit the switch, the signal goes through and it becomes 1, and when the signal changes its status, it becomes 0. Therefore, in digital signals, we have no more than two statuses, 0 or 1, off or on. One of the industries where digital signals are mostly used is the auto industry. In this industry, due to the type and nature of the products that are made and the function of the robots that are used in production lines, a large part of the signal is digital. However, an analog signal is a signal that varies continuously in a specific range without being discrete. In this case, opposite to the digital signal, which can only hold 0 or 1 value, our signal can hold any value in a certain range. For instance, if we want to measure the oil pressure by means of a transmitter, the value that the transmitter gives us is an analog value. For example, if our range is between 0 to 200 psi, the value that the transmitter gives us could be anywhere between 0 to 200, such as 0, 67, 180, or any other value in this range. Therefore, as you can see, in an analog signal, the value that we have is not 0 or 1, like a digital signal. Instead, it varies in a certain range constantly and can have any value within that range. In some industries, such as petrochemical or in refineries, due to the nature of the products that are manufactured, we need to extensively measure quantities such as pressure or temperature. Therefore, in these industries and similar industries, the load of the analog signals is multiple times greater than that of the digital signals. So, to conclude what we've learned in this lesson, we have two types of signals that are widely used in the industries: digital signals and analog signals. A digital signal can only hold 0 or 1 values, but an analog signal can potentially vary in a certain range and can hold any value within it.